Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice math problem. 7 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 2x plus 3. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's start by writing solution. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then if you have log a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to m plus n bracket log a. Therefore, 7 raised to power x plus 1, if you take the log on both sides, can be written as log 7 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to log 2 raised to power 2s plus 3. Then this is the same thing as s plus 1 bracket log 7 is equal to 2x plus 3 bracket log 2. Now let us open the bracket with this log. We have s multiplied by log 7, s log 7 plus 1 multiplied by log 7, log 7 is equal to 2x multiplied by log 2, 2s log 2 plus 3 multiplied by log 2, 3 log 2. Now let's collect like times. Let's bring this to this side and bring this to this side. Then here we have x log 7 minus 2s log 2 is equal to 3 log 2 minus log 7. Now s is common here. Let's bring it out. S bracket log 7 minus 2 log 2 is equal to 3 log 2 minus log 7. Now here, let's divide both sides of this equation by log 7 minus 2 log 2. This divided by log 7 minus 2 log 2, and this also divided by log 7 minus 2 log 2. This cancel this. S is equal to 3 log 2 minus log 7 over log 7 minus 2 log 2. But log 7 is equal to 0.8451 and log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Then s is equal to, then we have 3 bracket log 2 is 0.3010, close the bracket, minus log 7 is 0.8451 over log 7, that is 0.8451 minus 2 multiplied by log 2, that is 0.3010. S is equal to 3 multiplied by 0.3010, that is 0.9030 minus 0.8451 over 0.8451 minus 2 multiplied by 0.3010, that is 0.6020. S is equal to 0.9030 minus 0.8451, that is 0.0579 over 0.8451 minus 0.6020, that is 0.2431. Then if you divide 0.0579 by 0.2431, S will be equal to 0.2382. This is the value of X. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: 7 raised to power S plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 2x plus 3. Now, if S is 0.2382, so this is 7 raised to power 0.2382 plus 1 must be equal to 2 raised to power 2 bracket 0.2382 plus 3. Then this is 7 raised to power 1.2382 must be equal to 2 raised to power, if you multiply 2 by 0.2382, then plus 3, we have 3.4764. Therefore, 7 raised to power 1.2382, this is 11.1, then is equal to 2 raised to power 3.4764, this is 11.1, which is true. Now, let us solve this problem using another method, which is the method of natural logarithm. We have the given equation, 7 raised to power S plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 2s plus 3. Now, this is the same thing as if you take the natural log of both sides of this equation, we have ln of 7 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to ln of 2 raised to power 2s plus 3. And we have s plus 1 ln of 7 is equal to 2s plus 3 ln of 2. Then we have s ln of 7 plus ln of 7 is equal to 2s ln of 2 plus 3 ln of 2. S ln of 7 minus 2s ln of 2 is equal to 3 ln of 2 minus ln of 7. S bracket ln of 7 minus 2 ln of 2 is equal to 3 ln of 2 minus ln of 7. Now, this divided by ln of 7 minus 2 ln of 2, and this divided by ln of 7 minus 2 ln of 2. This cancel this. S is equal to 3 ln of 2 minus ln of 7 over ln of 7 minus 2 ln of 2. Then this is the answer in terms of natural logarithm. But if you want to use calculator to express this further, we have S will be equal to the whole of the numerator. 3 ln of 2 minus ln of 7 will be 0.1335 over ln of 7 minus 2 ln of 2. that is 0.5596. S will be equal to 0.1335 divided by 0.5596. This is 0.2386, and of this is the value of S in terms of natural logarithm. Then if you check, you discover that we have the left hand side 11.1, which is equal to the right hand side 11.1, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.